1, 2.
Was a cowboy, I'd be the queen.
Hand goes up.
Sitting pretty on the prairie, baby, on your huckleberry.
High five and rotate, yes. Leader's back in the right foot, follows back in the left foot. We stretch away. That causes the follow's right foot to be forward. Leader's taking the left foot back for 1. We then spring towards each other for 2. Strip, pull towards her for 4. Leader's always forward on 4. Strip, pull, step, and 1, 2. Strip, pull, step, strip, pull, step. We then slide our hand behind there on 2. 1, 2. Strip, pull, pulling her towards us, taking a nice big step inside. Turning, step, step, strip, pull, step, and 1, 2. Strip, pull, pull, turn, turn, strip, pull, step. We then sauce it up by realizing the follow follows that hand everywhere she goes. If I rotate the hand, it also causes her to rotate, especially if I do the same thing with my body. I can do that by stepping back on my right foot. 1, rotating her on 2, trip, pull, cross, turn, turn, step, steppy step. If I go diagonal on my cross, it makes it easier for her to feel that connection. 1, 2, trip, pull, diagonal. 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Whole thing back to back, all 3 moves looks like this. 1, 2, trip, pull, step, 1, 2, trip, pull, step, step, step. Back on the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple step. I'm DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Jess. Thank you, Round Up Nightclub. Let's keep this rotation going for one more song. 5, 6, do whatever you want.
Around these towns like tumbleweeds.
High five and rotate, yes. Now we're gonna try to do those moves back to back. Saucy first, medium second. Watch it one time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Hand goes up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Let's all try that together. 5 and 1, 2. High five and rotate.